can users and developers expect from the new version of flashplayer?
That's something I'll talk about, but so you're talking like what kind of features and innovation? Yeah, so we just released yesterday on Labs flashplayer 11.6, and there's all the features that we add to Runtime are mainly related to video and gaming. So you're going to see one of the things we added is a new API to query graphics objects, so that now you can actually detail graphics object in a better way. We added some things for in 11.5 for better debugging. We're adding tons of things, and really like incremental things for gaming developers. So that's really cool.
Does Starling promise to become as large products as Flex SDK?
So yes, Starling is growing like crazy. We have lots of people using it. Big companies, Zynga, Rovio, and some other big companies are using it now. So it's not going to become. It's not really the same thing, but it's a good question. We are providing now Starling in the gaming SDK, so it's part of the Adobe offering. So yeah, you could think of it as a kind of a Flex SDK, but for game developers. It's a 2D GPU framework for game developers. It's not the same. It's the same target, same audience, but yeah, that's the same idea. Yeah.
What should we expect from the Adobe next year?
So next year, what you're going to see from us is on the gaming side, more and more improvements to the gaming offering. So improvements to the framework. We also want to provide more things for people who are doing, also who have to provide games on the JavaScript side and the HTML side. So what if we also could provide frameworks for that? We have Scout, this new product that we announced last week for profiling. You should see some pretty cool stuff on Scout next year. I can talk about it, but it's going to be really cool.
Do you worry about the presentation?
No. It's it's a presentation that I practiced a lot, and I made a lot of put a lot of efforts on it. So it should go well. It should go really well. And yesterday I was attending the user group in Kiev, and it was great. I shared the presentation. They loved it. So I think the audience is going to love it today.